Something funny.
Downtown Disney, casting
We're
center, Planet Hollywood.
making our way to downtown Disney right now. And we stopped for a bite to eat over at the Golden Arches. And for the first time in my life, ever since they had the double Big Mac available in Canada, I asked for it here, and the clerk looked at me as if I was actually crazy, as if my cheese had slipped my cracker. So I said, I'll just take a regular Big Mac, no cheese. Anyways, just wanted to share that tidbit. And this is the last thing I expected. Shrek, not Shrek, this particular Disney character, which I'll remember in the actual annotations. Stitch. That's his name, Stitch. Spitting on people.
So sorry.
Yes. Hey, ugly! Is it at Fulton's Crab House? The name is a little bit dubious. Unfortunately, there's a lot of things that come to mind, mostly STD related.
You don't know that. One day you check it out. We were thinking about Monday or Tuesday. Alright. Monday.
We want to make sure to see the parade at night.
Yeah, okay.
Looks like we're going to be honored with some Highland music, a lot of bagpipes, and orchestral arrangements. Can't wait to see this.
In just a few minutes, Magic Music Days at Walt Disney World will present a special guest performance. We hope you will join us. Thank you.
I can't believe they're actually going to be fitting all those poor kids on stage. This must be some tight arrangement, and with the heat. It's at least 25 degrees outside without counting the humidity. You're looking at about 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's a very hot day. It's a windy day, so that means that it's not as hot as it could be, but it's still hot. The bells, the bells. I actually remember playing the bells in community orchestra.
And gentlemen, boys and girls, Disney Magic Music Days is pleased to present West Milford High School Concert Band from West Milford, New Jersey, under the direction of Dr. Brian McLaughlin and James Lawrence. Please welcome West Milford High School Concert Band.
Folks, if you know about this actual high school band, please give them all your love and support. They all deserve it, man. Their music is impeccable. The practice and timing of it is impeccable. Anybody remember these? I used to have a set of these when I was growing up. Oh, what fun that you could actually make by creating things like this. Amazing, you know? Here's a better picture of the toys, folks. Tinker Toys. World's best invention. Still remember using them quite often. Fun, fun, fun. They sat us against the packet room family of 2. I hate jungle service. This is the most annoying drink you've ever seen. Thank God there's a button at the bottom. Simulated lightning storm with the animals lighting up and playing lights. This is not a place for people who have nervous issues. Fish sticks.
Salut.